All right, let's talk about Sarose Nail Studio, a place that's all about precision nail care. So, have you ever gotten a manicure that just doesn't last? It's a super common problem. Yeah, this sounds familiar, right? The polish lifts and the cuticles just don't look clean.
Well, there's a totally different approach out there, one that focuses on health and precision.
It all comes down to their philosophy, precision, hygiene, nail health, and results that actually last.
And it all kicks off with something called the Russian manicure. So, what's the deal with it?
Okay, so it's a dry technique using an e-file. It's all about creating the perfect canvas. So unlike a regular manicure, there's no soaking, just precise e-file work for a flawless finish.
Okay, but what about making your natural nails stronger? Well, that's the next step.
Meet BIAB, which stands for Builder in a Bottle. It basically reinforces your natural nail. The whole point is to add strength, reduce breakage, and help your own nails grow out. But you know what underpins all of this? A serious commitment to hygiene.
Seriously, top-notch hygiene isn't just an extra, it's the absolute standard here.
Think fully sterilized tools for every single client. It's all about safety in a private studio. So what happens when you put all this together? Well, the proof is in the experience. Listen to this from a client. Hands down the best nail experience I've ever had. Wow. Another one says, the attention to detail stands out, calling it the best BIAB manicure ever. And for some, it's about fixing bad experiences. This person says Sarah completely saved their nails. And you get all this in a beautiful, relaxing, and private setting. It's not your typical salon. So you've got refined nail care, but in a totally private and personal experience. It really makes you wonder, right? Isn't it time for a manicure that actually cares for your nails?